Given an equation of this hyperbola y squared minus 4x squared minus 4, we are asked to find the coordinates of the center, vertices, foci, extremities of the conjugate axis, and the eccentricity of this hyperbola, and sketch this graph. Okay, so before we do that, let us remember the very important equations. The two forms of a hyperbola. The first one is this: x minus h squared minus y minus k squared over a squared over b squared is equal to 1. This is a hyperbola that opens horizontally like that, okay? To the left and to the right. The other one is the hyperbola that opens vertically, upward and downward, okay? And this has the form y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared is equal to 1. Always, kung sino yung positive, dun siya nag-o-open. Like this. The negative here is the x, so hindi siya dun. Ito sa x siya positive, ito negative yung y, so sa x horizontal yung opening. Okay, so that's it. And I think we're ready to convert this now into one of the standard forms. So since wala ka namang x or y lang dito, no, y squared lang, so halata na yung h at k mo is 0 already, but never mind that. We'll have y squared minus 4x squared is equal to 4. We just simply put the constant on the right hand side. And then since dalawa na yung 4 mo, so I think we're ready now to divide everything by 4 para magiging 1 yung right hand side mo. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we'll have actually here x squared. Let me write here over 1. Anyway, you may omit the over 1, but it's nice to have that. Y squared divided by 4 will be y squared over 4. Okay, from here it is clear that we'll have, what do we have? It's clear here that y will just be y minus 0 squared, right? And 4, it's clear that 4 is just 2 squared. So we just want to rewrite this way so that we can see clearly na, a is 2. We see that because 4 is 2 squared, right? X squared, wait, let me write also x squared as x minus 0 squared over 1 can be rewritten as 1 squared. Anyway, 1 squared is still 1. It's equal to 1. So from here it is clear that we have our h equal to 0, we have our k equal to 0, we have our a equal to 2, and we have our b equal to 1. And our opening is where? This must be vertical, right? Vertical because yung positive mo, yung sa ano. So, this is the form that we're looking for, okay? We're hoping to get this vertical graph. Okay, and I think we're ready to plot this now. Let's plot the graph first before we answer the rest of the question. Okay, I think now we are ready, really. So, first, let's plot the center. Saan ba yung center? Yung center mo, yun yung HK, right? So H is 0, Y is 0. So ito yung center. Then, yung endpoint, yung vertices mo. Kung ano yung A. A is 2, right? So 2, you move up 2 to the 2 upward. 1, 2. Kasi nga vertical tong hyperbola natin. So nandun yung vertex. Sa pang vertex from here, from the center, you move down by 2. So 1, 2. So nandito na yung hyperbola. Okay? And then from there, we need to plot also the extremities of the conjugate axis. So B mo is 1. So from the center, you move to the right by 1 and to the left by 1. And then we are now ready to draw our rectangle. It's very important that you know how to draw this rectangle, because this will serve as the frame of your hyperbola. Okay? Because this rectangle will actually give you these endpoints here. You connect that. This gives you the what? This line is what we call the asymptotes. Okay? And, these are straight lines supposed to be. And your hyperbola now will look like this one. Okay? This is the the vertex. Kasi nga upward tong pa hyperbola mo. So it will look like, oh wait. Uh-oh. Like there. In a way, sketch lang naman, di ba? So, we also have here, it must supposed to asymptotically reach this line. Oh, like that. I'm not just drawing that really that good, but more or less, that's how it looks. Okay? Pero dapat symmetric sila. Siguro hindi lang ganito yung drawing ko, but I hope you get what I want to show. Okay, now let's answer the problems, the questions. It says, find the coordinates of the center. Number 1, coordinates of the center. Center, ano ba yung center mo dito? HK, H0, K0. Okay, ito yung center. Number 2, vertices. Saan ba yung mga vertices mo? Ito yung vertex ng, dalawa yung vertices kasi ng hyperbola mo. So yung isa, you move up by, vertically by 2, kasi nga yung ano. So yung vertex 1 mo is, yung x mo is ganun pa rin, 0 pa rin, but yung y mo is 0 plus 2 na, so that's 2. Yung vertex 2 mo is, 0 pa rin yung x, pero yung y mo is, nagbaba ka ng 2, so 0 minus. So 0, negative 2. Number 3, the foci. Saan ba yung foci makikita dyan? So, yung foci is nandun yung focus ng ano mo, yung mga focus dyan. So, paano ba yan mahanap? Distance from the center to the foci is c, and c is given by c squared equal to a squared plus b squared. So, yung pinakamahaba, meaning pinakamalayo sa center. Kasi nga, nandun yung ano mo eh. So, in this case, a is 2, b is 1, so we'll have c squared will be equal to 5, right? 2 squared plus 1. Therefore, c is equal to square root of 5. So, in this case, the foci mo, first focus mo will be from the center, 0 yung x, you move up by square root of 5. So, 0 plus square root of 5, so we'll have square root of 5. Okay? And yung isa pa, focus 0 yung x, you move down by square root of 5. So, negative square root of 5. Fourth, conjugate axis. So, ito yon. Ito yung mga, ito pang isa. Ito yung ano. So, distance from the center to that is b. So, E1 is simply the extremities of the conjugate axis. So, we'll have from this, you move ka to the right by horizontally by 1. Kasi 1 yung b mo. So, yung x mo is 1. 0 plus 1. Yung y mo is 0 pa rin. Okay? Kasi nga, makita naman sa graph, di ba? So, E2 will be move to the right, negative. So, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Yun. Number 5 is eccentricity, simply C over A. C is square root of 5. A is what? A is 2. So, we'll have square root of 5 over 2. And then the sketch of the graph is this. Maybe I have not just drawn this really well, but you can do that. Thank you.